Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to protect the incredibly vulnerable front radiators of your BMW G87? Let me show you how. All right, guys, let's talk about the reason why you're going to probably want to install these on your BMW, but especially the new G87 M2. I have never seen a BMW with more exposed radiators. Not only your oil cooler from underneath, but all of your heat exchangers and your radiators in the front are basically wide open to rocks. Now, I've already seen several reports of G87 owners taking a rock. Let's see, it was called the $1,600 rock. Yeah. And you know what? Your warranty's not going to cover that. Your insurance might, but your warranty won't. They call that road damage, and you're going to be out $1,600 or more, depending on what's going on, and potentially broken down by the side of the road. So as soon as I got my G87, I could not wait till Zunesport put these out. They're brand new, and I want to show you how to install them. It's definitely a worthy investment. I like the way they look, and they're going to keep you from getting broken down by the side of the road and have a $1,600 rock. Let's jump in and let's get started. All right, y'all. So this install is really simple. As you can tell, I've already put some painter's tape kind of top and bottom, because the last thing I want to do is scrape this up as I potentially put it in. It shouldn't, but I also believe in being careful. So as we do this, as you look, you can see there are these little hooks. And what you're going to want to do is those hooks are going to go down and behind, and they're going to push down in and grab a hold. You can see where my fingers are. They're going to grab a hold of that plastic, and that's what they're going to hang on to. But when they first go in, you know, they're tipped up a little bit. So you're going to want to get a screwdriver. And once you get this into place, you're going to reach through and push that hooked tab down. You're going to take it and you're going to push it all the way in here, and then push that tab down into place so it grabs onto the plastic, see? And you're going to want to do that both top and bottom. Now, when you go through this, make sure that they're secure. As you can tell, with the painter's tape here, it might be a little bit harder to get it out, but I don't want to scrape up my plastic. But you're going to want to do this top and bottom. As you can see, it's already hung on fairly well, because you want to push it in, and that tab will reach up and grab the plastic trim on both top and bottom, and this side will be done. Really straightforward. It's going to be the same on the other side. I'm not going to show that side, so let's go ahead and move to the center. All right, again, so this is where I'm going to suggest using a little bit of painter's tape. You don't want to scrape up your car. Now, I've gone ahead and taken the hooks on this side. I've bent them out just a little bit, bent this one out just a little bit, and we're on the left side, our passenger side of the car, so you can see the orientation. This bigger, longer hook goes to the center of the car. The shorter one goes to the outside of the car.